Hey, good morning. Welcome to the Owwll App tutorial. I want to walk you through setting up your app for the very first time, downloading it from the App Store. So you're going to go to either the Play Store or the App Store. In this case, we are on Google Play. So you're going to type in the word Owwll, Owwll. You're going to see it second down right here. So you're going to see that right there. Then you're going to click on that Install button. As it installs, once it's installed, you're going to click Open. So now it's going to open up on your device. You're going to see that it's going to scroll you through the welcome screen there, etc. Now you're going to go in and put in your full name. So in this case, we're going to use Jane Doe. We'll put in an email here for it, password, confirm the password. There you go. And we're going to click sign up. All right, you're going to put in the email code that they sent you to your email. Then you're going to click how you heard about it. So there's numerous different ways. You could put in LinkedIn or friend or colleague. We'll go with friend or colleague. That's good. And then you'll put in their code. And then you put in your birth date and all that stuff. There you go. We'll just go with some company. Choose the city, some city. We'll just go with Alaska. There we go. So we got a couple expertise. This is a test user for Jane Doe. And we're going to submit. Now you're going to notice that your request will be in pending because they are still in beta. They still have a wait list. But once that comes out, you're going to go back to the Owwll app. You're going to reopen it back up. And now you're going to simply sign in. Pretty simple. So with that being said, we're going to stop this. And we're going to very quickly talk about turning your account from an advice seeker to an expert. So with that being said, thank you for watching, and we will now go to the next tutorial on how to go from advice seeker to expert within the Owwll platform. Hoot, hoot.